I've heard everything you told me. I'll try and give it a thought, even though it's not easy. It's not really easy for me to go and apologize to that girl, knowing that she's a tigress. She's a troublesome person.
I know how I gathered momentum to come and see you, and to go see her too. You know, but I did it just for peace to reign. Even when I gave her the money, she insulted me, but I never mind.
She insulted you?
Yes.
You see what I'm talking about? That girl does not have respect. If she could insult you, if I get there, she might want to kill me.
Anyway, it doesn't matter to me. Still go and apologize to her with your sister, okay? When I get back, I will meet me with my father to discuss more on our marriage stuff, okay? Once again, I want to apologize. I want to say sorry for what happened.
I'm sorry too. Honestly, I never expected this to elongate like this. I'm sorry all these things are happening, but I'll put a stop to it. I will do what you asked me to do.
I see. Even if she insults you, never mind. Don't just mind her. Just do exactly what I asked you to do.
Don't worry, I will. Okay, I have to start going to the market now.
It's a lie. Arise. Arise. So it's you.
Ella, what are you doing here?
Arise, please don't allow me. So it's you. You are the one behind all this commotion, Arise. Azuka.
Darling, what is this one talking about?
Sikwa, darling. Arise, she's calling you darling.
Ella, please. I don't just want your drama here because you're not a drama doll. Please. Baby, please, go to the market. We'll talk later.
Please, I don't understand what is going on here. Who is this girl to you? Where did you meet her? I mean, how do you know her?
Ella is a...
Wait, did you promise her marriage?
See, Ella is a girl I met sometime in the city, okay? But this is not what we'll discuss here. Just go, we'll talk about it later, okay?
I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what jobless one here does. It is not my problem. This our marriage have come to stay. Nobody will tear us apart. If she wants, let her die. Who cares? Arise! Azuka! Azuka, it's me and you in this village. Arise! Azuka! Hey! Arise! It's Azuka, it's me, Ella. No problem. Okay.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.